Wednesday. Yeah, so Kit, for your birthday, we wanted to do something for you. So we all got together and we wrote a poem for you. We're going to read it.
Oh, this is super.
There's a special woman in our lives who also is a special wife. She mothered children 4 in number and sacrificed a lot of slumber. As a flight attendant and an au pair, you've traveled almost everywhere. You settled down to raise your clan and found yourself...
You have to. You have to go a little slower. I want that one again.
Guys. I can't hear you. As a flight attendant and au pair, you've traveled almost everywhere. You settled down to raise your clan and found yourself the perfect man.
Take a bow, Frank.
Slowly.
Your firstborn Hannah brought you joy. Then came Mark, the first of the boys. A 2-year trip to the Middle East was a great adventure, to say the least.
Returning home to Fairy Hill must have been a wonderful thrill. Soon Isabel joined the fold, followed by Ed, who was good as gold.
Hardly. Hear.
Your family as they grew, a mother's love they always knew. Raising 4 must have been a handful, but you did a great job, and they're also thankful.
Your kids had kids, and here we are, 8 loving grandkids who think you're a star. Though Nick is on his honeymoon, he sends his love, he'll be home soon.
We love the way you send us cards, with hopeful messages sent near and far.
Katie, sorry. Will you say that again a little bit louder for me because I missed it?
We love the way you send us cards with hopeful messages sent near and far. We love to see your smiling face. We love your humor and your grace.
You love art and have a great collection. Your garden is absolute perfection. Speed Point and the 40-foot have always been your home. And now we all love going to the water for jumps. We wish you congratulations on your big day. Kit, you inspired us in every way. Happy birthday, relax and sit. We just want to say that we love you, Kit.